Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another hair video once again because Luvme always come through, so I'm excited to see what I got this time. So let's get right into the video. Of course, this is a headband wig. I mean, I'm just being honest with you. I've gotten so busy that doing my hair has not been like the normal. Like, I don't even think about doing my hair, but the headband wig always come through, baby. So we're gonna see what's in this good old package here. It's really not that hard to open. Y'all already know what that purple box means. Y'all know that purple box means it's a gift. Thank you, Luvme. I like to do the hair last. They told me that they were sending new headbands. I am excited to see. Besides the hair, this is my favorite part. Like the headbands, I live for their headbands. So the first one is this like velvet material, and the headband has the pearls on it, and I just think that is so cute and absolutely beautiful to wear in the fall and winter. They have this black and white polka dot one. I'm so glad that they're incorporating different headbands. Like, it gives me more options along with other headbands that I bought and that they've sent me. So they got that famous cheetah or leopard print, whatever it is, headbands, the crisscross headband. They have this white one. I'm glad they sent me a white one, but I don't wear white. But I know there's gonna be a time when I need a white headband. And Luvme got me covered with the crisscross white headband. And then this one, which is so unique. They have this one. This is a scrunchy headband. And I just want to show y'all the design if y'all can really just see it. It has like little gold stars. Do y'all see that? Little gold stars on it. And I just think that's so unique. I love that. They always leave a wonderful little note in there. And the famous iridescent pouch. It comes with the Luvme hair tie finger jigger, some bobby pins, a little strap. It comes with the Luvme hairpin. It comes with the edge brush and some tweezers. And included in the box is a wig cap. So basically this Luvme box here, basically this is like the one-stop shop box. Like, you got your bobby pins, you got your wig cap, you got your edge brush, you got your hair tie, you got your headbands, and then you got your hair. So you ain't even gotta go to the store. Like, you got the store in this box. Okay, so I'm excited, y'all. So let's take the net off. So if you haven't watched my previous Luvme hair videos, which I will link them somewhere in the video, I've done the kinky headband, and I've done the bob headband wig. So I want to try something a little different, and so I picked this curly headband wig. It's a little longer. Well, it is longer than the other wigs I've done, but I wanted to try something different. But look at that bounce though. I mean, let's talk about it. Beautiful. This is a 26-inch deep wave headband wig. So 26 inches, and it's true to length. Y'all have to remember that hair that curls is gonna appear shorter, but it's true to length as far as what I can see. So 26-inch deep wave. Let me first, before I put her on, let's just comb her out a little bit. First, let me go through there with my fingers. So y'all see how my hands just glide through the curls. Right, so she's all brushed out now, as y'all can tell by the difference in volume. She still got that bounce though. So let's put her on. So I got her on and she looks absolutely beautiful. Look at that body. Like, the fullness is what I live for. I live for some good full hair, and it's curly too. I love that. No product at all. Full of volume. Still very shiny. I love it. I haven't added water, right? And I'm not going to. All I'm going to use is some oil because it don't need water. Like, the curls are perfectly fine. So I'm going to take a little bit of this oil and just spray it, because what you want to do is you want to keep it moisturized. It doesn't need any shine or anything, but y'all know how curls can get, right? Sometimes them curls like to tussle. So and can I just admit that this hair is so soft? I mean, I just feel like Luvme hair is always soft. So, just a little oil. And I like how the curls maintained. They didn't get heavy or anything. They're still light. Beautiful. After oil, this is what it looks like. Not really much of a difference. And like, I love it. I wonder how many times I say that about Luvme hair. Like, I love it. I mean, they picked the right name for their brand. Like, I love me some Luvme. Let's go on and style this bad booger. Of course, I'm going in with this one first. We're gonna do a classic ponytail. I want to do a high one. Oh my gosh, so cute. So cute. Effortless. Like, I could just put this on and go. Like, you can use this for work, working out, just your go-to headband wig. Like, the effort is minimal. I love how the ponytail is still so full. Like, yes. Yes, for the ponytail. Next, we're gonna do a classic bun, and this is just like a transition style. Maybe you wore the ponytail one day, and next you want to wear the bun. Look at that. 2 seconds. 2 seconds. What's up? I think this is my favorite. Like, look how beautiful. This is so like simple. Like, I feel like I don't have to put in much work to look cute. Like, it just makes me look cute. Like, I feel cute. Like, and there's nothing wrong with a wig that makes you feel cute. Now let's utilize more of the hair being down, and let's switch headbands. I just love the versatility of this hair. Like, who gonna tell me this ain't my hair? Who? I mean, of course y'all know it ain't my hair, but still, who gonna tell me that? Oh, nobody. No, for real, I love it. You can take it and add the bun to it. So cute, so simple. Now we're gonna take it all down. Let's try a different headband now. And these headbands, it's like, they're so cute. And because they give you so many different ones, like you have one for almost anything you want to wear. We're gonna just toss a little over here and give ourselves like a side part. No effort, none. So cute. So cute with the side part, and it's like so simple. You don't, like I said, it doesn't have to be perfect. Like, you literally can just do a style and the curls form themselves. Do y'all see this? Like, for the body, I love this. So we're gonna do one more style. So this is the last style that I want to try. It's just like a updo. I don't know if y'all kind of catch the feel of this. That's basically what it is, like just an updo style. I kind of twisted it up in the back and just pulled it all to the front. Everybody might not feel this style, but it ain't for everybody. You get what I'm saying? The girls that get it, and the girls that don't. But the girls that do get it, do y'all like it? Y'all feeling it? So basically, y'all, that's the end of my video. I will put the link down in the description box. A promo code will be listed right here at the bottom of the screen, so you can get money off when you order this unit by using my promo code. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you were asleep on Luvme, I hope you woke now. So I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you for watching my video. Make sure that you subscribe to my channel, okay? Make sure that you like, make sure you comment. I will see you guys in the next video. So yeah, bye.